Hey guys, we are going over the Passacalie today by Visee out of the notebook. And one way to wrap your head around this 3-2 is to think about it in 3-4, but the half note gets beat. So if this is your tempo, your half notes are going to get these beats, and then your quarter notes are going to get the ups. So 1, 2, and 3, and. But your half notes are just going to be 1, 2, 3. All right? There's a lot of interplay in here, and a lot of it just ends up being 1 and 2 and 3 and. But you got to see where the sustained notes are, and that's going to give you some insight into what's going on. All right, so let's play. Actually, let's count that first line. 1, 2, 3. 1 and 3 and 1, 2 and 3 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 1, 2 and 3 and. So you notice I actually finished the first measure of the second line. The reason I did that is because the end of the phrase is going to be that E minor chord at the end of the line, and you're going to come back to that chord a lot. And it ends with the double bar, but in actuality, the end of the measure is on the second line, and it has that 2 and 3 end. That's why there's that rhythmic discrepancy between the first line and the second line. All right, so real slow, we're going to play it, and you can kind of see what's going on with the fingering. So you're starting here with this E minor, and 2 and, all right, I'm sorry, and 3 and. So 1, 2, and 3 and 1, 2 and 3 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 1, 2. All right, so and then you're on the second line. Let me do it without counting. Here we go. 1, 2, ready, go. Sorry, I'm going on, sorry. So you hear how it sounds. It just sounds like you're in 3. No big deal, all right? Let's check those fingerings. So you come in, and I'm playing this with one finger, this E minor chord, because my fingertip kind of works that way. And then you have the open B, open E, coming up with your fourth finger on the F sharp, right? Because we have one sharp. Slide it up to the G, and you're right there for that extended E minor. All right, now you're coming to a D7 with an A in the bass, but it gives it a real minor feel. All right, now you're coming back down, bar the second fret with your first finger, and end with these two, B and D sharp. Now lift your B to the A, and then open it up completely. Now, in that part, what you can do is when you're here on this barred on the A, what I do is I play the open G and the open B so that I can just come by with my little finger to the F sharp. Right? And then we come back to this B, F sharp, and E, suspended down to the D sharp, down to the A, open E. Now, it's a little bit different than the fingers they're using, but I find that's easier for me, and it just sounds a little bit more open and breathes a little bit more. So from that third measure, all right, now. No big deal. Let's do that second line slow. I'm starting from the high B. big deal. Now, if we get all the way to the second page, that is just a recap of the first line. So, 2. All right, no big deal. All right, so that will get you all the way to where you need to be for when you come back on January the 6th.